What if I told you the company that streams half of America's TV just had its biggest quarter ever? This is Kenya News Update today. Coming up, you'll discover how a simple black box is beating tech giants, why its stock is surging, and what this means for the future of your Netflix and Showmax. Meet Roku, the little streaming player you probably have plugged into your TV, but here's the twist. This company just posted numbers that shocked Wall Street and proved it's the gatekeeper to your living room. For years, everyone thought the streaming wars were about Disney Plus versus Netflix, but Roku's CEO, Anthony Wood, just revealed the real battle is happening one level deeper. And the winner is taking all. Roku's stock jumped 8% in a single day. That's the kind of move that makes investors pay attention. But here's what nobody's talking about. This isn't just about selling devices. This is about control. Roku executives called it their biggest quarter ever for net adds to premium subscriptions. That's their program where you can sign up for HBO Max, Paramount Plus, and dozens of other services with one click, right on their platform. Think of it like them pay SAW for your TV subscriptions. One login, one bill, total convenience. And that convenience is a goldmine. The company crushed expectations. They reported earnings of 53 cents per share, nearly double what analysts predicted. Revenue hit $1.39 billion, up 18% from last year. But the real story is the flip from red to black. Last year, Roku lost $35.5 million. This quarter, they made a net income of $80.5 million. That's a seismic shift. And then something shocking happened. Analysts at Rosenblatt Securities upgraded the stock to a buy. Their reason? Roku has built a formidable gatekeeper presence. Let me translate that from Wall Street speak. Half of all streaming in the US on TVs goes through Roku devices. That's power. That's influence. That's a toll booth on the digital highway to your eyeballs. But here's the part that will blow your mind. Roku isn't stopping there. They're on track to surpass 100 million streaming households this year. They just launched their own ad-free service called Howdy for $2.99 a month. They bought a live TV service called FRNDLY for $185 million, and they're rolling out subscription bundles this year. They're building an empire while Netflix and Amazon fight over content. Roku controls the front door. Now, let's talk impact. This is bigger than one company's earnings. This is about the secular trend, as the CEO called it. More and more services are moving to platforms like Roku instead of trying to build their own apps. It's the aggregation theory in action. The company that aggregates the demand wins. In Kenya, we see this with super apps like M-Pesa and Safaricom's expanding ecosystem. The implications are huge. If Roku becomes the default operating system for your TV, they decide what you see first. They control the ads. They take a cut of every subscription. Some say this is brilliant business. Others say it creates a dangerous monopoly over what we watch. The tension is real. But here's the unanswered question for us in Kenya. As streaming goes global, will an American gatekeeper like Roku dictate the terms here too? Or will local platforms rise to control our own digital living rooms? Do you think having one company control half of TV streaming is good for competition, or does it create a problem? Drop your take in the comments. This was Kenya News Update today. Subscribe for more breaking news on the tech and business stories shaping our world.